Morning, guys. So we're just gonna continue from yesterday because we did not finish it. Day 2 of our learning Tagalog or Filipino, and the topic is how to introduce yourself in Filipino. Okay, let's listen to it.
Kamusta? Ako po si Ana.
Kamusta? Ako po si Maya.
Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka.
Ako rin. Masaya akong makilala ka.
Okay, what does it mean? Don't worry about ikinagagalak. It's a little bit hard to pronounce, but you can replace that with masaya. What does masaya means? Good or happy. I'm happy too. What does the conversation mean?